So, you guys remember I've been wanting fridge for so long, and finally it's here. I can't wait. I can't wait. And the old one it's going, so super excited, super happy. It's not what I wanted exactly, but because we don't want to drill a wall here because we don't have water in this side, so we will not get, because that one you have to have a water area where you can connect with the fridge, and then you will get water from inside. So yeah, it's not that, but super happy. And I have some cleaning things to do. So this one is going. It's very small for a family, so I didn't want to clean because it's going. I'm done with it. So this is how the kitchen look like after we have just received a new fridge, and it looks darker. As you can see now, my kitchen looks a little bit dark. It is because of the new fridge, and yeah, and it feels small at the same time when they just put it in, and I mean it feels very small now again. But I'm so happy. So you can see I've just finished to cook lunch, and yeah, now is another new mess here, but it's not a lot. I'm just going to finish to clean there those stuff. And fridge, since it's here, I am super happy, I am super excited. But now it's very big and it's very beautiful as well. Let me just go here on the living room to see how it will look from here. Yeah, you see it has that a little bit of darkness, but anyway, now since we are starting to upgrade and changing the furniture in the house, I am super excited. So good morning, guys. This is how my kitchen look like currently. It's mess here going on, so I just want to do a quick review of this new fridge that we got yesterday. And yeah, we didn't imagine that it was so big. Now I think, like, you know, we have a small kitchen, and this fridge it has took the entire space. That is how I feel, but still we love the fridge. I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy that we took this color because it's kind of neutral color that matches very well with our furnitures. So I love this fridge so much. This side here is the freezer side, and this side is just normal fresh fridge side, and this side as well here, so you can see. And I'm going to remove all this plastic and clean it up and put the food inside. So now this is what I'm going to do. And then I have a little bit of mess going on here. Since I told you guys my kitchen is smaller, and this fridge here, it has make it even more small because I don't know, I love the idea of having new fridge, but I don't think if I love the idea of having this humongous fridge because it's really big. And yeah, Anyway, it's here. I will just accept it and deal with it. And yeah, so that is the mess, and I'm going to clean. I'm not sure if I will finish everything because I'm supposed to work from 4 until 11 night, and the decoration for Christmas has to go down as well. You can see the wind is just flipping it down all over, so I have to take it down. And this week is actually the week that we will receive our table and 2 more stools that we got. And yeah, this is how it looks. Excuse the mess, it's just, this is a cleaning mode, and this is how it looks. So the Christmas, and I'm so happy that we got the dream table that I wanted for so many years, but since we had a small space, we couldn't fit that table in this house. But now, since we have the big space, I think it's our time now, or it's time now to upgrade to have a new table. And yeah, so this space here is going to be magic. Okay. Here in the TV area, kind of lounge TV area, is not much going on. I just finished to fold the clothes there because I didn't remember to do these things on the camera, since I said I will bring this content, so bear with me. I didn't do that. So yeah, here is not much going on. I just want to make sure that I clean the stairs. And it's raining. It has been raining, and it was kind of snowing in the morning, but now not anymore. And this plant, we got it also when we went to do shopping. I love it. It looks so nice. It's a little bit big, but we love it that way. And we are going to buy the container that will make the flower look a little bit more nicer. This one here, it's dying. You can see it's really dying. So that one, it will go away, or maybe I will just give it a water, but it's really dying. I don't know, maybe it doesn't need that direct light. I don't know about the plants. Don't ask me why. I will not even talk about it. Yeah, so that is that. And moving on here, I'm still washing here, and this is the area. You can hear the machine is running, and I will do the bathroom. I will clean because they have not yet finished completely, and I don't want to just bother myself to go there. We use everything anyway. This is the plant that we also got it. I love this plant because look, these stones we collected, me and Nadine, when we went to walk, when we went for holidays in a place called Ticino, between the border of Swiss and Italy. So these are so special for me. I love them. So what I'm just going to do is to remove the plastic, anything extra that is not needed in the fridge, and clean it down. It was really well wrapped. We had small fridge, or normally Swiss houses, they have this small package fridge in the house that is there already, so you don't have to buy extra fridge. But nowadays, I don't know if they have changed into new modern style, like they do big fridge install, or they just leave the fridge space blank so that you buy for yourself the choice of the fridge that you want. When we moved in Regensdorf, it was the same thing, like here, small fridge, and I was tired with that. I'm done with that. So I am super happy. I am super happy to see that I have the fridge that I wanted. Not this one. I wanted the black finish matte fridge, but that one you have to have a connection of water with it, where like this side of the wall we don't have water there, but this side we have water, but the space is too small, the fridge cannot fit there. So we had to choose this one and let the black mat be, because there was no connection line of the water in this side, so that we can use the fridge there. So we end up choosing this one, but still I'm happy. This one, it has a container here where you can fill water in when you want to take ice cube water or crushed ice water. So I think it's good. I know I love this one, and I love it. It's really nice, very practice. And now we have a huge freezer. Yeah, it is a really good size. Now I'm happy. I'm happy in general for everything that me and my husband that we have now, because when I married my husband, we started our life very simple, very nice. And looking back now where we come from, me and my husband, it has been a journey, but a beautiful journey as well. You know, there's this ups and downs in marriage, which is normal, but to see that we have upgraded from where we were and up to now, we are not here yet, but we are now in the middle, and we are like, yes, we are here. We have made it. Okay. Yeah, we started our journey in a funny way, me and my husband, and it's such amazing. That's what I can say now. Marriage is beautiful. It is beautiful. Not because of the stuff like materialistic things, but the journey, it's beautiful itself without material stuff. So this is the tank where you put the water, because as I said, we don't have water to be connected with the fridge, so that you just it is easier for getting water from the fridge. So it has this one, it comes with this tank here, so you can fill it up to 4.5 liters, and then it will when you go to the door here, you can just put if you want water with ice cubes or crushed ice cubes. So this is this. So I am now cleaning the last part of the fridge, and I have 1.5 hours to leave the house to go to work. Yeah, so I'm just in the last moment. This I need to wash with soap. It has 4 drawers, one side fresh and the other side to freeze. I am in love. Even though it have took my entire space in the kitchen, but I'm still happy. I am still happy about it. So now official, you will never see me sitting in this kitchen doing my videos. Now new videos I've just posted recently. I am doing that in Nadine's room, but I just want to see which spot is good in the house, and then I will make it a permanent station for me to do my videos. Weather is not so bad. It started very weird because yesterday night it was raining crazy, but now since 1:30, 1:40 it was sunny, and it looks like it will pour anytime. It's very cloudy but sunny at the same time, so it's a winter weather. So that is what we have here. 3 months summer and most of time in darkness. Yeah, so that is that. It's going there. So this one here is where the water will go in, and if you want a crushed ice to drink with your water, it will be done everything here. So it has a tool which is connected with another one. I will show you later. So I'm just going to clean this up. I think I will not do the entire cleaning kitchen because I cannot, you know, I cannot do this because I have to go to work. I had 3 days, 2 days, Monday and yesterday, Tuesday, but the fridge was not here, so it came very late, and it's not like I didn't expect it. We went to the shop to see it physical, but you know, when you're in the shop, they are well put on and then the shop area is really humongous, so you don't feel like it's small once it's arrived in your house. Especially our house, it is a very small kitchen, and yeah, so now it has given us new idea on how we want to do the kitchen in the future if we do the new kitchen. So this fridge completely, it will come in this space in there, and then it is a journey anyway. It's in 5 years from now, so I don't have to think about it. very nice. So I'm going to close it. Everything is clean there now. And I'm going to do, no, I didn't finish the tank, so I have to clean it up. When you open the fridge, when it's new, it smells factory, like the product that they use to make the fridge. I mean, it smells kind of chemical thing, which is okay, it's normal. But now I want to open it and smell if it still smells that way, but it will go away once the fridge is on. I can't wait to organize this fridge, so maybe I will do the video tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm also working. Saturday I'm working. Sunday, I'm not sure if I'm in the plan, but it can be possible that I'm working. But next week, Monday, Tuesday, my day off. Then maybe I will do, if I will miss to do tomorrow or the rest of the days of this week, I'm okay. I will do it on a Monday. So this can take up to 4.5 liters water. It doesn't smell chemical anymore. Good sign. This is my luxury refrigerator, because growing up I didn't have these things, guys. Even this one here, it was high-end luxury for me because I didn't have that growing up. So it is luxury for some people, especially me, because I didn't have these things. Yeah, I'm happy. I am happy because I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Guys, don't worry about the mess that is on the ground. It is a cleaning video, so don't worry about the ground. Don't worry about things on the ground. Now the fridge is finished. I have just finished to clean the fridge. It looks very clean. And this one, it has a huge egg holder, so 17 of them. Happy about that. Really happy. We have 2 drawers here on the side. For fresh food, we have two drawers for freezer. So guys, I've just finished to clean the fridge, but I cannot do the organize because in 15 minutes I have to leave for work. So I have to let my husband do the necessary things to put things back in the fridge, food and all those things. But I will do a different video to organize my fridge. So I think I will do that differently. So I have arrived at work. I was cleaning. I had to stop and come to work because my work is very important. And yeah, I'm at work now and I will work until 11 night. So I will be at home around 12 because it's not far from my home. Hi gorgeous, as you can see it's very late here. I'm from work. I'm going home, but I have 10 minutes to wait for the tram, and I was like, let me just share with you guys because I left cleaning in the middle of the video and went to work, and now I'm from work. I'm going home. As you can see, we still have Christmas decor. I think until middle of January they will take it down, but still beautiful Christmas decor there. Yeah, so I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Have a good time. Bye.